Hi guys, here we've got iPhone 14 Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select wallpaper, and here click on add new wallpaper. And now you can either pick something from your own photos, you can create photo shuffle, you can set emoji wallpaper, weather or astronomy wallpaper, and then color wallpaper. It's up to you. Here you've got the options. Obviously emojis can be assigned to your own preferences, so you can pick particular emojis and then the layout. And let me pick, for example, one from my own photos. For example, this one. And now you can customize it, zoom it in or out, then change the color palette if you wish. Let me do it this way. And now you can also add widgets to your lock screen if you want to. And click on it. Then decide if this picture should cover only your lock screen, and then the same should be on home screen, or you wish to customize your home screen. To do it, just tap on customize, and here you can switch off the blur and it can be clearly visible on your home screen. You can add color instead of the pictures, or another picture, but let me stay with original blurred picture. Then tap on done, and that's it. From now on you can notice this brand new wallpaper covering both your home and lock screens. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.